In this video, we'll take a look at finding higher roots of numbers. And to do that, we are going to base it on the definition of the nth root. For n, a natural number greater than 1, the number c is an nth root of a if c to the n is equal to a. And let's look at some examples to explain what that definition is telling us. Here, in this radical expression with an index of 4, they're asking us for a number when multiplied by itself 4 times is equal to 16. And since 16 in prime factorization breaks down into 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, in other words, 2 to the 4th power, the 4th root of 2 to the 4th power is equal to 2. In the next example, we're looking for the 5th root of 32, indicated here with a 5 as our index. We're looking for a number, the same number, when multiplied by itself 5 times equals 32. And if we do a prime factorization of 32, 32 factors into 5 2's, represented here exponentially. So the 5th root of 2 to the 5th power is equal to 2. In this next example, we are looking for the 4th root of negative 16. If we do a prime factorization of negative 16 and we're looking for the same number times itself 4 times, if we take negative 2 times itself 4 times, we end up with a positive result. This is not equal to a negative 16. Rather, negative number raised to an even power is a positive result. So here, this is not possible, and we will say there is no real number that will satisfy this radical expression. If n is an even index, which here we have a 4, and our radicand is negative, then that root of that radicand is not a real number. In this next example, we're taking the opposite of the cube root of negative 8. Here our index is an odd number. Is it possible to break negative 8 down into a number times itself 3 times that results in a negative number? And sure enough, negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 results in a negative 8, and we do have an equal expression. The cube root of something to the 3rd power is that something. Here's the opposite, the negative of this. Our solution to this radical is the negative 2, and then final simplification, we have the opposite of our answer, which we would represent here, a minus times a minus with a positive 2.